Exceptions in demand curves. In economics, while the demand curve typically adheres to the law of demand, there are exceptions or anomalies where the usual relationship between price and quantity demanded does not hold. These exceptions provide insights into specific market dynamics and consumer behavior. As we know, normally the demand for a product increases as its price decreases. Giffen goods are rare exceptions where the quantity demanded increases as the price rises, contrary to the usual downward sloping demand curve. This phenomenon occurs when the income effect outweighs the substitution effect, leading consumers to buy more of the inferior good as its price increases. For example, in times of extreme scarcity, such as during a famine or food crisis, staple foods like rice or potatoes may exhibit Giffen behavior. When the price of these staple foods rises due to shortages, low-income consumers may be forced to allocate more of their budget to purchasing them, even though they are inferior goods. In such situations, the income effect dominates, leading to an increase in the quantity demanded as the price rises. Veblen goods are luxury goods or status symbols for which demand increases as the price rises. Unlike most goods, the demand for Veblen goods is driven by their high price, which signals exclusivity and prestige. Consumers may view these goods as more desirable and purchase them to display their wealth or social status. For example, luxury goods like Rolex watches or designer handbags often exhibit Veblen behavior. As the price of these goods increases, their perceived value as status symbols also increases. Affluent consumers may be more inclined to purchase these goods at higher prices precisely because of their exclusivity and the signal of wealth or social status they convey. In certain markets, particularly financial markets, speculative demand can lead to anomalies in demand curves. Speculative demand occurs when consumers or investors purchase goods or assets with the expectation of future price increases, causing demand to increase even when prices rise. For example, during a housing bubble, when property prices are rapidly appreciating, speculative demand for real estate may arise. Investors and homebuyers may rush to purchase properties with the expectation that prices will continue to rise in the future. This speculative behavior can lead to an increase in demand even as prices escalate, creating a feedback loop that fuels further price increases. In markets characterized by network effects, such as social media platforms or telecommunications networks, the value of the product increases as more people use it. This can lead to positive feedback loops where higher demand attracts more users, further increasing demand and resulting in non-linear or exponential growth patterns. For example, social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram benefit from network effects. As more users join these platforms, the value of the network increases for existing users due to enhanced connectivity, content sharing, and social interaction. This positive feedback loop results in higher demand for the platform as the user base grows, leading to nonlinear growth in demand. Seasonal fluctuations in demand, such as those observed in holiday shopping seasons or agricultural markets, can lead to anomalies in demand curves. During peak seasons, demand may increase sharply, causing temporary shifts or distortions in the demand curve. Toys exhibit seasonal demand patterns, particularly during holiday seasons like Christmas. Parents and gift givers may increase their purchases of toys during these peak periods to meet the demand for gifts and presents. This surge in demand during specific seasons can lead to temporary shifts in the demand curve for toys, with higher quantities demanded at prevailing prices compared to non-holiday periods. These exceptions highlight the complexities of consumer behavior and market dynamics, demonstrating that while the demand curve generally slopes downwards, there are circumstances where the relationship between price and quantity demanded deviates from this pattern. Understanding these exceptions is essential for economists and businesses to make accurate predictions and decisions in specific market contexts.